Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. I am Dan Oliveira and today I brought you another idea for a couple's bracelet kit. I made this one with the initials. Take a look at how it turned out. The initials and a heart. This is a really cool idea for those who like simpler, thinner bracelets, you see. They are also very quick to make. It's a very simple step-by-step process, and I will show you today. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to receive notifications and new videos every week, and this way you also support me on the channel. Shall we get started with today's step-by-step? I will use 1mm silk thread, and I will start by making the smaller bracelet. This one is 40 centimeters and will depend on the size of the wrist. I'm making this one in a small size. I burned the ends to make it easier for the letters to fit in. Look, I start by placing the first little letter and a heart as well. To help place the letters, you might need a needle, but this one went in really easily. Look, now just place the thread in the middle with the little letters. And now I will make the knot. I'm going to use a piece of a straw, see, to make it easier. I'm going to place the straw right here on top of the thread. Look, holding it well so it doesn't come out from the middle of the thread. And then I'm going to wrap it around, passing, look, over the thread and in the direction of going up. See, I'm going to make 4 loops. Then I'll take the end of the thread and pass it through the little tube. Look at how it turns out. I come here, look, from above. I pass the thread in here like this. So look, I pull the straw with the thread inside. I take it out, and then with my left hand I hold the little knot, and with my right hand I adjust it to make it just right. Look, you just need to pull gently and it will adjust, see? And it will look like this. Do you see? It looks nicer than just making a simple knot. It has a better finish, see? I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to place the little tube here on top, look. And I come with the thread wrapping, going up here. Yes, I will also make 4 turns. So I come with the tip here from the top side, see? And I pull the little tube with the thread inside. It's the same thing, just keep adjusting it little by little. Don't pull all at once or the knot will come undone. Just take it gently. Look, he is getting there with the little letter. See? Just look at how it turned out. Now I will just equalize the ends to see if they are the same length. One is longer than the other, so I will adjust the tips. And I'm going to make a different finish here. Instead of just doing a simple knot as well, look, you will take the end and come with it from right to left. Look, making it look like a little drop. Bring the thread through. And now look, he goes over to the left side here, over and through. Now over the right side and come here from the inside. And again, I go over the left side and come with the tip through the hole. Look, I will hold it up and I pull everything down to make a knot. Do you see how it looks? It has a different finish as well. Then just cut off the little tip that's left here and burn it so it doesn't come loose. And I will do the same thing on the other side as well. Lift the thread, look, to the right side I come over and through it. Now, over the left side. And inside, you create a zigzag, see? pass over the right side and inside. And then on the other side, over the left side and through the inside. Then just pull the little tip up here and pull the knot down. It is important to always keep it secure in your hand so that it doesn't come loose. So what's left here, the little tip, is just to cut the excess and burn it. And now I'm going to make the adjustable closure, okay? To make the adjustable closure, you will need a piece of thread about 15 to 20 centimeters long, more or less. It depends on the size you want to make the closure. I pass it under the thread in the middle. Look, I come with the thread from the right over the top and the thread from the left. I will pass underneath and through the little ring that we left. Once for each side. I'm going to do this quickly here for you to see, but I already have a video on the channel explaining this adjustable closure step by step, which is the flat knot of macrame. And there are also 2 other ways to make the adjustable closure. So I will leave the link up here for you, and then you can also decide which one you prefer to make. Okay. But here, look, I first do the thread on the right and then the one on the left, alternating, see, then the one on the right goes underneath and through. Once for each side. Now the one on the right goes over, the one on the left goes under and through. I can make one more stitch here, so I will do it and then just adjust it well. Now just cut the excess and burn it as well to seal the thread. There, it burned on both sides. And this one is ready. Look how it turned out. Let me put it here for you to see. It looks really delicate. You can also make a mix by pairing it with other bracelets. Look at this. And now I am going to make the bracelet larger so you can see the measurements. This one I cut the thread to 50 centimeters, so it will be a little bigger. And the step by step is the same. I will add the letters, the little heart, and I will make the knot. Look at this. I pull here, bringing the letters to the middle of the thread. That's it. And now I just need to make the little knot here, one on each side, so the letters stay in place. Look, there, it's right in the middle. I'm confirming here. I'm going to make just one more for you to see. Look, I place the little straw here and you always have to leave. Do you see that I'm holding a little piece of the thread? It has to come up and be secured, okay? That's why I leave this little space of thread to be able to wrap it. Now just take out the little straw and come here adjusting it, just like we did on the other bracelet. See? Adjust it properly here. And then just make the knot on the other side as well. And this is how this bracelet turned out. Look at it, my little pair. It's very simple, very easy to make, and it looks beautiful. I will put both on my arm for you to see. I hope you enjoyed this idea. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to rate the video if you liked it. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.